You might be looking for more profitability with your fashion brand and trying to find a better way to optimize your e-commerce business. As a fashion brand owner, you may feel that the productivity can be improved if you rely more on effective tools. So here's my recommendation for the best 6 applications to use to improve your business results and be more effective. Welcome to my office. Let's dive in. Application number 1, Shopify. Yes, you might use it already, or maybe you prefer Wix, WooCommerce, or other platforms. Here's why Shopify is the most recommended application for fashion brands. First of all, you have a very intuitive website builder. No need to know code or draw an idea of your website. You just take a template and apply it. Use your pictures, your text, and just put your website online with an optimized template for e-commerce. Second, you have an easy access to statistics. You can see where your sales come from, what is your conversion rate, your retention rate, and what are your traffic sources and best sellers. It's better than Google Analytics, and it is integrated into your dashboard. Just connect to your dash daily and take the numbers to understand where you are with your business. Third, you're always up to date with the latest e-com trends. You don't need to have a developer who should update your website. You just take the latest update from Shopify or download an app or update your template. Fourth, templates are easily adaptable to fashion websites. You can easily personalize product pages with custom product templates or a dynamic field. And fifth, it has reliable checkout and easy to plug to offer various types of payments. Besides, with Shopify payments, you will be able to bill your customers in their currency without transaction fees for the purchase. If you are still thinking that Shopify takes commissions on your transactions, it's in the past. Today, with Shopify payments, no more commissions are collected. You only pay monthly fee for the platform and hosting of your website. The second app I recommend is Stamped. Why I like this app? Because you can automate your customer feedbacks, collect testimonials with pictures, and provide more trust to your future customers. You can send up to 50 emails automatically for free with Stamped and personalize your emails for testimonial collections. It is designed for small businesses and it is easy to plug into your Shopify store. The app number 3, Omnisend, the best CRM app on the market. Literally, you can easily segment your emails by the type of clients you have or automatically split your email sequences according to the country of origin. Secondly, you can easily track your daily performance in terms of sales and see which email generated more sales and track your daily email subscribers growth and revenue. Third, besides, you know what your customers are doing after clicking on your emails and where they go on your website, did they add to their cart, and what the journey is with your products are. And fourth, you can set up automations and personalize them accordingly to your market, language, products they are interested in, etc. The app offers a multitude of pre-built automations that you can just add on and customize with your logo and colors. And fifth, all this you can have for free up to 500 subscribers or $16 a month if you have more than that. I put the link below if you want to subscribe to Omnisend. It is compliant with major e-commerce platforms. And 6, you can also use their templates for newsletters and landing page and just apply them for your future emails and landing page. The app offers a variety of templates according to the e-com major events such as Black Friday, Christmas, St. Valentine's Day, etc. The app number 4, Tidio. Tidio will allow you to create a mini chatbot to introduce the brand and ask people to subscribe to your emailing list for a discount. You can apply existing chatbots to your website and see your email list growing. The same can be done for other types of client behaviors such as cart abandoned, leaving the product page, etc. TGO will be your partner in crime and try to interact with people to invite them into your brand universe automatically for you. You can also chat with those who have particular questions through a dedicated interface. App number 5, Kingsumo. I like this app because it can help you grow your email list and website traffic thanks to the giveaways that are organized on your website and not on your Instagram account. I like this app because of the easy interface to set up your giveaway, invite people to follow you on your social media, invite other people with their emails, or come visit your website. So by using Kingsumo, you can not only grow your Instagram followers, but also develop your email list and traffic. Besides, people who visit your website and like your products will buy directly from you. App number 6, ChatGPT. I totally recommend this app. As a small business owner, you want to be efficient and make the best of your day. You will like your new marketing assistant. ChatGPT can write your emails, Instagram posts, and product page descriptions and create your new Facebook ad thanks to the right questions you ask. It's a robot who knows how human interacts and who uses the internet to find the best from it in the fraction of time and come up to you with final solutions and answers. You need to write your email, just give ChatGPT some background of what you want, and it will come back to you with a written copy of your next email or Instagram post. So enjoy this creative process, and it takes only 5 minutes to create your new post. No need for a copywriter. You can also use it for SEO and find new keywords to position your website. And if you want to learn more and take the precise instructions that I use for ChatGPT, you definitely need to watch my next video where I will show how to use ChatGPT and create your marketing strategy and campaigns. I'll see you there.